now, I see myself as a famous reporter. Though it is very high, sabi nga ng mami ko, aim high. So, I want to be a famous reporter. Kahit na alam kong mahirap maging reporter dahil maraming mass communication sa FEU or sa buong school, sa buong mundo, I will strive hard to abutin yung mga pangarap ko. So, I know I'm willing to learn. I know I'm not that good yet, but I am really willing to learn. I also want to be a photographer. I love sceneries. I love taking pictures. I am very happy nung nauso yung Instagram. It's funny kasi before mag-eat, picture muna, picture dito, picture dyan, then post sa Instagram. I really love taking pictures.
Para sa hindi.
Sa ano? Basta. Ate Carmen, dali. Nagpo-photography ako. Ay, tapo na. Now, I'm a famous reporter. I know to myself na I work hard for it, na pinaghirapan ko to. Not just, meron kaming kamag-anak sa ABS or GMA. Not like that. And I'm proud to myself na na-achieve ko yung dreams ko. Also, being a photographer. Now I'm a photographer, I'm so glad, I'm so happy.